First of all, let's pray. And thanks unto our God Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings so we can attend and gather in this place. Secondly, may peace and salutation always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Truly, I say thank you for all judges and all of audience for the opportunity given to me today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gwenea from Muhammadiah number 6 Elementary School, Palembang. On this occasion, I will tell you about the story of the rabbit and the turtle. Happy watching! Once upon a time, there was a rabbit walked to the pond and got lost. At that time, the rabbit saw the turtle walk so slowly. Then, the rabbit went to the turtle and said hi to the turtle. "Hello, Mr. Turtle, why you walk so slowly?" "Actually, I am not walking, but I am running, you know." "What did you say? Are you kidding? Hey, look at me. Running is like this. How funny you are." The rabbit ran so fast and made the turtle shocked and got angry at the same time. "Mr. Rabbit, you are so arrogant. Let's have yours." "Have yours with you? You're just a dirty and a slow turtle. Okay, let's have yours tomorrow, and I'll be the winner and you'll be the loser. Yahoo!" On the next day, they had already prepared all to take a race. Then the rivers said 1, 2, 3, and go! Then the game started. The rabbit ran so fast and left the turtle behind. On the other hand, the turtle ran so slowly. "Catch me if you can, slow turtle!" Because of running so fast, the rabbit got hungry and tired. Then he took a rest and ate too much food. This food is so delicious! I can't stop eating it! It's okay, the turtle is so far. I feel so sleepy now. Let me sleep for a while. On the other hand, the turtle kept running. He ran and ran. Then he saw the rabbit sleeping. The rabbit is still sleeping. I have to run fast. I am sure I'll be the winner. I can do this. I can do this. Yes, I need to get the finish line. Suddenly, the rabbit woke up and shocked. He quickly ran. He ran really fast. He ran faster than before, but it was too late. Oh my God! I was so late to get the finish line! Hooray! I get the finish line! I am the winner! Oh my God! What a shame on me! I am the loser now! Yes, because you are so arrogant, Mr. Rabbit. That made you fail. After that, the rabbit ran and ran away. The main value of the story is to not be arrogant and underestimate to the others. That's all about the story of the rabbit and the turtle. Hopefully this story can be useful for all of us and we can take a good lessons from the story. For the last time, I say thank you to all judges and all the audience for giving and paying me attention. That's all for today. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi